Hi there. I'm starting to get my breath back a bit. I don't have enough energy to do a full length video, but I think I can do this short length video for you. So I just thought I'd let you know I'm okay. I'm really struggling hard. I've got some relatively challenging complications with my lungs, but so the operation has been largely successful, but the complications are significant, and now I have to deal with those. So what I thought I'd do today is give you my advice on two things I would have done differently if I had been in the same situation again. The first piece of advice is I would have shaved, waxed, used depilatory cream, or one way or another, taken all of the skin, all of the hair off my forearms, my chest, my abdomen, and my pubic area, because you end up having cannulas and all kinds of things installed on them, and when they remove them, they pull the hair, but they don't remove the hair, which means they give you the pain, but they don't give you any benefit for the pain by, for example, making sure it won't happen again next time. So the very first thing I would do is shave or wax or use depilatory cream extensively. If you're only going to do one place, do your forearms, because you're going to have cannulas. The cannulas have to get changed every 3 days, and when they pull that sticky plastic off, boy does it hurt. So that'd be the first piece of advice I'd give to you, and the first thing I'd say I would have done differently if I had have thought about it. The second piece of advice is to do with upper body clothing. So you obviously walk in with a t-shirt on or whatever, and they've got the gowns here. You can't wear your t-shirt because it's impractical. The gowns are pretty annoying. They get tangled on things, and they gape open and let in cold breezes and all kinds of things. I don't really recommend them. What occurred to me might be a bit more useful would be something like a big poncho. So something you can stick over your head and fold down under your arms, but it doesn't actually obscure any any cables or any lines that want to go anywhere. And of course, I'd probably use a cheap poncho, so that if you do have to cut a hole for a particular line to get to a particular place, that it still can. So that's my second piece of advice there. So I'm going to finish up now. As you can hear, I'm getting pretty short of breath, yeah, I better skedaddle now. So thanks very much. Thank you for your support. Remember the care button, and I'll talk to you again soon. See you later.